Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can change your iPhone 16 plus smartphone passcode in your iPhone. So before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply click on settings. Scroll down, you will see Face ID and passcode. Enter the PIN here. Scroll down and you will see just you have to scroll down. Here it is, change passcode. You can enter whatever you want and click on this and it will be set. You can see here it is the current password. Now enter a new passcode here and you can change the passcode settings like 4-digit numeric, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code and custom alphanumeric code. You can change it like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.